Innovation is such a big word these days that it's been labeled the buzzword of the decade. The use of the term is so prolific in corporate speak that it's become as predictable to hear it talked about as a beauty pageant contestant saying they support world peace. Yet often clients throw out the term, asking for a session on innovation without a clear understanding of what it entails or what their needs should be. We like to hear from the organizer exactly what they're looking for, how they'll measure success, and then design a session to deliver on these outcomes. To help narrow down this topic, one thing to consider is the difference between talking about innovation in general, which includes how an expert innovated specifically related to entrepreneurial ideas, tech, inventions, and innovation in leadership or innovation culture. The later, leading innovation, focuses on how to effectively lead innovation through the many competing demands for successful business transformation. So there's a very important distinction to make here. Leading innovation and being an innovator are two very different skills. You don't have to be a genius innovator to lead innovation. And innovators, as such, don't necessarily make great leaders. What is most important in an innovation process is the individual or team's ability to identify their innovation leadership biases and use this to then identify and resolve the tension to move forwards. True innovation isn't about flashy workshops and suggestion boxes. It's about embedding an adaptive thinking into the organization's DNA. By creating systematic approaches that reward curiosity, promote psychological safety, and align innovation with strategic purposes, companies can transform innovation from a buzzword into a sustainable organizational capability.